As we continue to use our iPhones to take photos, download apps, and store everything from work documents to movies, storage space becomes a premium. Luckily, iOS provides tools to help you manage and free up space by deleting unnecessary system data. By the way, please like and share our videos to help those who has the same issue so that we can help them too. Once you're done, let's begin. First, go to Settings, then General. Select iPhone Storage to get an overview of what's taking up space. This screen shows a visual breakdown of different categories like photos, apps, messages, and system data. Focus on the System category to locate areas where you can delete data. You can offload app automatically by enabling the Offload Data or tap on any app you no longer need and select Offload App. Another easy target is your message history. Open the Messages section in iPhone Storage and review conversations with large attachment sizes or media files like photos. Tap on a conversation, then Delete Conversation to remove the entire thread and attached files. This is an easy way to clear out old message threads you no longer need. Email attachments can also consume storage over time. Open the Mail app and tap Edit for any inbox. Review conversations with large attachments like photos or documents. Tap Trash to delete emails and attachments you no longer need. For extreme cases, deleting old device backups under Settings. Your name, then tap iCloud. Then go to Manage Storage. Then backups can also help. However, make sure you don't delete backups you may still need to restore from. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it. If you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel or share it to your friends. This can greatly help in making Google's algorithm can find and recommend this to others.